Today we're marinating ribeye steak in red wine, and we're going to let it sit for about 4 hours and put it on the big green egg for a famous 8-minute sear. It's going to be incredible. Stick around and see how it turns out. Let's prep our marinade. We're going to put in some Montreal steak seasoning, and then we're going to lay our steak right on top of that. And then we're going to add our red wine. We're going to put this in the fridge for about 4 hours. And then we'll bring it out to get it room temperature before it goes on the grill. We got the big green egg scorching hot at 500 degrees, so we're going to put it 2 minutes, slide it sideways for 2 more minutes to get the grill marks. That's 4 minutes. Then we'll flip it for another 4, and that'll be it, folks. But this big red ribeye is now purple. It's plum purple, people. This wine-soaked steak is going to be an experiment. It's not something new, it's actually something old. People have been doing this since cows and wine. Because this is a tenderizer and a marinade. Purple steak on. I'm going to hit this with some salt and pepper. And we'll be back in 2 minutes. Let's give it a 90-degree turn on a hot spot to get some beautiful grill marks going. Okay, that's been 4 minutes. Now we turn it over. Purple steak. I'm going to add a little tad of butter on top of this beautiful steak. All right, let's do a final 2 minute turn just for the grill marks. Man, that butter looks great. Go time. I'm pulling this beautiful steak off, and we're gonna let this baby rest. Oh yes, beautiful masterpiece. So let's see what the inside of this beauty looks like. That looks delicious. Hey folks, I'm gonna be real with you. This is good steak. It's got a unique flavor. The wine gives it a subtle flavor right at the end. Go down in the comments and tell me, have you ever even heard of this? Are you gonna try it? Try it and let me know. Come back and tell me in the comments, was this a hit? And let me know what you want to see us cook on this channel. Thanks for your support. Please click the like button and the subscribe button. See you next time.